We all know how important having a great CV is when it comes to landing your dream job. Honestly, it's one of the most boring and tiring tasks out there. Think about it. Making a good CV is all about do your research, jot down all the points that you have done until now, picking the right format, the right font, and the right template. This entire process can easily take up to 2 to 3 hours of your time. But what if I tell you can do this entire process and build a CV from scratch within just 2 minutes? And not just the new CV. You can tailor any CV as per the job description that you are applying for within 2 minutes. So today I am going to save a lot of your time and effort with just one AI tool. But before we dive in, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Payal Bansal. I have over 7 years of experience in Amazon where I have conducted multiple interviews as a manager and I know exactly what recruiters are looking for. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to master interview skills, build the confidence that is required to crack any interview and the tips to survive the corporate life because I am here to help you out. Now, let's get started. But before we start building the CV, I just want to take 2 minutes of your time to explain how resumes get shortlisted. Because most people skip this part and they never get a call back. Here is the reality. Recruiters do not have time to check each and every application because sometimes for one job posting they can get 100 or even thousands of resumes. So what do? They use a tool called ATS, which stands for Application Tracking Systems. ATS is basically a software that automatically scans and filters resumes before a human can see it. It looks at the keywords, skills, experience levels, and even the formatting. So your CV has to pass through this system first, and only after this it reaches at the desk of the recruiters. Here is an example to make this real. Say there is a job description that says project management, but your CV doesn't have this word, rather it has handled projects. The ATS might not even match these two words because it looks for exact and closely related keywords. You apply for a job, the ATS scans your resume. It gives your resume a score. Only the top scoring resumes get shortlisted, and then a recruiter finally reviews those few resumes. That's the reason you need to tailor your resume every time you are applying for a job. And yes, it is time consuming. Yes, it is very boring. But here is the good news. In the age of AI, you can tailor or maybe create your CV from scratch within just 2 minutes. And today we are going to use my favorite tool when it comes to build your resume, and that is called Claude.ai. Before you even open your Claude, I would suggest you to jot down all of the points related to your experience, qualification, your basic information like phone number, email address, all of those kind of details at one place. I am going to show you the entire process using my phone. You can follow the exact same steps on your laptop or PC. Follow along on whatever device you have right now. So this video is going to be divided into two parts. In part 1, we are going to see how to create a CV from scratch if you are a fresher, and in part 2, we will see how you can tailor your resume as per each job description. I assume that you have jotted down all of your basic details, and after that, come to your phone and give this prompt to Claude.ai. Let's see what happens. Now we are giving a command, build a one-page CV using the Harvard resume format for the details added below. Add about me also. Remember, we are building the CV for a fresher. So I have added my basic details because we need to provide the details like your name, your phone number, email address, your education, and if you have done any internships also, please feel free to add everything. Now enter and you will see the magic. See, it is scanning everything, Harvard format CV for my name, reading the document, installing whatever package, and you will see the magic. See, your Harvard format CV is ready. Here's what's included section in the CV, header, your name is there, about me section is there, which is very important. So it says a professional summary highlighting your French degree, communication skills, and career aspirations. That is perfect. Your education, skills, achievements, and interests. The CV uses the classic Harvard style, and let's download this. And I think it is now downloaded. We'll check in the download section, and the CV is here. Oh my god, here is your complete CV. You did not spend any time doing the formatting or using any other tools to build this, and this tool has built your entire CV from scratch within like 1 minute of your time. So it says about me, a motivated and detail oriented graduate with a Bachelor's of Arts in French from the University of Delhi, possessing a strong foundation in French language, literature, and culture. So it has given the basic detail and the education. Then skills may, it has added French, English, and my Hindi. Core competencies, it is added by themselves. Achievement and interest, if feel free to edit. Okay, example, I'll say change the color of the headers, replace the reference section with internships. Okay, and now let's see if this tool is able to do that or not. It is asking for my preference, which color I would like to see. Let's go with royal blue. The magic will happen again. And see, it has given us the updated resume. Let's download it. Let's download it again. Go to your download section, and here is your updated CV. See, it has now changed the color to royal blue, and it has replaced the reference section with internships, and you can see some data as well, because this tool has the potential to edit everything within just 2 minutes. Part 1. Before we move to the part 2, in which we are going to talk about how you can tailor your CV as per each job description, I would want you to hit the subscribe button before we... And now let's take this one step ahead, because this is the part I know you were waiting for. Let's say you have found a job and you have the job description in your hand. Now I would want you to copy paste the job description here along with this command, where we are asking, hi, can you edit or tailor the CV attached as per the below job description? So it can pass the ATS and give me the ATS code as well. So also mention the position that you are applying for. For example, I'm applying for IT project manager, and here's the job description below. Attach your CV. Now, Claude will rewrite your CV as per the language of this job description, which is the best part. It will add the right keywords at the right bullet points as per what the recruiters are looking for. It will give you an ATS score to understand how strong your application is. Let's see. It says, now I have all the information that I need. Let me build the tailored CV. It shows your ATS score, which is 87 by 100. All the category like keywords, 32 by 35, title match, skill alignment, format, and everything. Now it's time to see this CV. Go to downloads. This is my CV. And there you go. Now you have your CV, which is tailored as per the job description. And how much effort did you put? Nothing. You just did copy paste and use tool. Your CV is right there. And if you want to modify anything, for example, you think that it has given a lot of information which is not relevant, ask that replace this word with this particular word, and this tool will do. So did you see, using the right AI tool, you can save hours of your time. And the best part, boring work becomes easier and interesting. That's the whole game. And now you know how to play it. And if you found this video helpful, do like the video, share it with your friends who are looking for the job, and hit the subscribe button, because your one subscribe genuinely helps the channel and tells me you want to see more content like this. That is it for today. I hope your CV gets shortlisted for your dream job and you smash every interview that is coming your way. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.